And we're doing differential analysis on this, and we're so seeing clusters kind of form, and we're seeing that some populations are really kind of present in just one or the other. I think you still like let's say this is what you cared about. You could then still go and look specifically at these. I think if you were to cut this out,
yeah,
and put this back through the pipeline by itself, it's just going to introduce more and more noise. I mean,
all right.
You have still successfully identified what these are, and actually, in my opinion, at a higher confidence level because these are different cells from this.
All right. Everybody in the room is saying, I don't know what I'm talking about. Wei Chen's here. Wei Chen, can you ask a question?
No, I just want to know more on the VDJ, how we can do the circle plot or to look at
Circles.
Right, in a more kind of big data way to look at the certain population where is a specific mutation.
I'm sorry, I can't quite hear you.
She's saying like pull out the ones that are highly mutated, or list the CDR3 mutation high versus low, or clonality. I think that's all the things.
Even the CDR3 lens, all kinds that people typically do with the VDJ. Instead of doing one by one, we can look at in a certain population way.
I mean, there's some stuff you can look for using the browser. Looking for, you can find mutations at an individual level, but just reopen this. So you can see down here, CDR3 amino, you can put particular amino acid sequences for actual nucleotides as well. So if you're looking for a particular motif, you could search for that and find it in here. One thing that you can also look at in more detail, when you click on any one of these receptors, let's find one that has there's one in here that has there we go. So what we're looking at is we have 6 cells that all have the same clonotype, but they all have a mutation. So orange is a mismatch. If you click the help button here, it tells you what the colors are. And if we zoom in on this, we can see that they all have an A instead of a G here, right? So you can look at some of those things going on in through the whole CDR3. And you can see what deletions and other kind of events are happening in this hypervariable regions. It's still pretty manual, though, for sure.
Right.
Unless you have particular motifs that you can search for, that you can do that down here.
Adam, I have a question. So, we have so many clone types. Is there a way that we can make hierarchical clusters for all these clone types? Make a circle instead of traditional cluster. Can we make? Is there a way that we can make a circle and then make cluster C?
Yeah, we don't have that view. What we do have is, and I don't know the name of this plot. Find it here. We do have this view, which I believe some other tools use, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, we don't have any clustering for VDJ. I can put that in as a feature request.
Yeah, do you know what's the best software or best way to make that kind of figure?
No.
He's going to look into that.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah.
It's
Another question. So kind of I was kind of a little confused. So we can open the Loupe file by VDG browser. We can also open the VDG by the Loupe browser. Is that right?
So, sort of. I mean, you're pulling it in, but what it's doing is it's importing some specific information. So, in the case of gene expression, what we are importing is VDJ clonotypes and seeing, what clonotypes are present.
So we can just simply open the VDG file by this Loupe browser. We can
Yeah,
show
so
the
you go to VDJ here,
Okay.
and then import, and then you have to see if it wants to find a vloop file, so yeah, the VDJ loop file.
Okay.
All right. Well, I think that's good. Maybe there's more, but we'll work on this so far. I think we know most of it, but there's a few things at least I didn't know, so that's helpful. And we'll look forward to talking to you again.
Okay.
And
I'll try to do a little research on what people are currently.
okay. Well, thanks a lot, Adam, for taking time so quickly, because I think we just discussed yesterday. Okay, really appreciate it. So we'll be talking to you more.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, Adam.
Good rest of your week.
Okay, bye now.